plunger and the 1 syringe barrel in there. And then shake for, I've done it for 10 to 30 seconds. We'll do 10 today. And then with our super clean forceps, take those, actually we'll take them out and we'll do the test of whether it works after we rinse with acetone, because we don't want to get a whole lot of water in the acetone to dry off the water as much as you can from the barrel and the plunger, and then put the 2 of them in the acetone. Also 10 to 30 seconds. And the difference here is that we are going to, actually my forceps are also free of water. Test the syringe. So I draw up and then I check to see if anything comes out. And I'm not succeeding here. So it may be
salvageable.
This is a particular kind of syringe where the needle can be taken off. And then reload. You have to be careful not to risk sticking yourself.
Right.
Oh, actually, there's one other thing. Can you see that there's a fine thread poking out of that needle there?
What is that for?
That's to keep it unclogged. So you need to, oops, if I can get it. There it goes.
Okay.
To pull it out. All right, so then, yeah, the way that you have to hold this to keep from risking getting speared by the needle is make sure you have the hole with forceps and then put it in. And then you can screw on the barrel. And now, this should work with acetone. That's what it should do. If it's working and it's not clogged.